Who's got the power here? You or me, to decide whether I teach here 6 months from now? Well, I can say I'd like to teach here, but the first thing they're going to say, yeah, well, 15 students said they'll never take a class with you again.
So we say we want to take a class with you?
Well, see, I need to make sure that you guys are getting what you want. And so when I go off on these stories, it's usually because when it's around 8 o'clock, most people are not ready to do a lot of work, right? And that's when we should do some work. Oh, perfect. I'll just quickly wrap this up. The Vornley method is something that's described in another video, and that's how it speeds things up. See? We just gained about 15 minutes. That's why a video. We've talked about expectations. What do I mean by tour? What do I mean by tour? Yeah. Do you know where? Throughout this really long page, I dropped this thing. Okay, so this is like 6 screens long. It's meant to be because, I gotta bore people. I want to bore you. So then you'll go on the tour. Otherwise you won't go on the tour. Okay. We've covered the doorways. In a year, you can, if you don't have a language, another language, you can get a language. There are ways to do it. You can hablar un poco más que hoy, right? Or you can immerse yourself into another culture. That's really what language is. If you choose to follow this system, you can get points here because you made that effort. You got that year. Because you're going to be writing things down under your experience. And that's what they're looking for now. It doesn't matter if these are lower. If you have that passion as an academic counselor or admissions officer, I'm going to try to figure out how to get you on. Even if you're on probation for the first quarter, I want to give you that chance because you have